Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to find winning products for dropshipping on Amazon. Dropshipping is a great way to start an online business without having to deal with inventory, shipping, or fulfillment. You simply need to find products that are high in demand, list your item on your Amazon store, and then let the supplier handle the rest. The most challenging part of dropshipping is finding the right products to sell. You want to find products that are unique, trendy, profitable, and have low competition. And that's what I'm going to show you in this video. I'm going to show you how to find products using Amazon and odditymall.com. These websites are going to help you discover the best products that are popular and have the best potential for dropshipping. By the end of this video, you will have a list of products that you can start selling on your Amazon store right away. So to get started, head to amazon.com. So the first thing we're going to do is go over to the left-hand side and we're going to click on all and then click on movers and shakers. And on this page, it's going to show you the items that have sold the most over the last 24 hours, or not the most, but have improved the most over the last 24 hours. So you can see next to each of these items, it's got a green arrow, a percentage, and that's showing how much the sales have increased over the last 24 hours. So for this one, it is 202%. And you can see the sales rank, it was 236 and it is now 78. And some of these have grown quite a lot. This one next to it, the yellow bucket, it's up 3,738%. It was at rank 12,000. It's now at 333. So that one has grown massively over the last 24 hours. So this will help you decide which items are gaining in popularity. And you can see they are sorted into their categories. So we've got DIY and tools, we've got beauty, stationery and office supplies. And if you want to see any more in these categories, you just click on see more. And that's going to show you all of the items within this category that have sold well over the last 24 hours. And if we go back, you've also got more specific departments on the left-hand side. If you wanted to look at them, like garden, for example, you can see all of the ones in garden. One of the things you need to take into account is that some of these items will be seasonal, like these seeds over here. These are going to want to be planted in the springtime, so the sales will be up in the spring. So just remember to think about that when you are picking product. You mostly want to be looking for evergreen items. If we go back again to the movers and the shakers, we've also got, if you look at the top here, we've got most wished for. So these are items that people are adding to their wish list. So this should give you an idea of items that are most requested. And again, they are sorted by categories. And they are ranked from 1 to 6. And then if you go into the category, you get a lot more. You could also look at most gifted. So if you were interested in like seasonal items, this would be really good to look at in the run up to Christmas, for example, or in the run up to Valentine's Day. You can see there's a lot of chocolates here. These items are frequently being bought as gifts. You've also, of course, got bestsellers, and these are the items that are overall just bestsellers across Amazon. These items are getting tons and tons of sales every single day, but with these you also have the possibility that there is a lot of competition. So there you go. These are the pages that you want to be looking at on Amazon to get ideas, but the other page you can look at is odditymall.com, and this is a place that shows you really unique gifts. So I'm just on their gift guide page here, and you've got different categories of gifts. So let's take a look at gadget lovers. And in here, we've got some really unique gift ideas. So you can just scroll through and find something that you like. So let's take a look at this chainsaw turkey carver. And if you scroll through here, it's got all of the pictures that you need and the information about the product. And if you go back up to the top and click check price, that's going to take you to the Amazon page so you can see a bit more about it, see what sort of price it is selling for. If we head back to Oddity Mall, you can also go to categories and search items by category. So we could take a look at pet stuff. And as you can see, the items are very, very unique. You've got a cat hat over here. But you'll generally find that all of the items on this website are very popular as gifts, and they do sell really well. They've also got a few more ideas in their blogs, so you can take a look at that and have a look at the items they've got in their blogs to get some more ideas. So there we have it. I've shown you how to find winning products for dropshipping on Amazon. I hope you found this video helpful and that you've got lots of ideas for products that you can start dropshipping. Thanks for watching.